Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about the silicon for photovoltaic cell or solar grade silicon. We know that silicon is a semiconductor material and it is a prime material for photovoltaic cell. Silicon is a chemical element with symbol Si. The atomic number of silicon is 14. It is a hard, brittle, crystalline solid with a blue-gray metallic luster, and it is a tetravalent metalloid. It is a member of group 14 elements in the periodic table. The electronic configuration of silicon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. There are two types of silicons are available. First type of silicon is metallurgical grade silicon. It consists of high concentration of intentional impurities like boron and phosphorus and unintentional impurities like transition metals atoms are called killer impurities like iron, chromium will present in the silicon. Their presence in higher concentration prevent the use of metallurgical grade silicon in the solar cell. Because of impurities present in the metallurgical grade silicon, it cannot be directly used for photovoltaic cell applications, so that it has to made the purified. Then second type of silicon is semiconductor grade silicon. It more refined and impurities level in the semiconductor grade silicon is parts per billion level. But increase in this increases the cost of the solar cell because the purification of solar grade silicon is costly. Hence, it will increase the cost of semiconductor grade silicon. Because of this, photovoltaic cell cost will also increases. Solar grade silicon with tolerable limits of impurities. Then in semiconductor grade have the same efficiency as like semiconductor grade silicon. Here in the metallurgical grade silicon, impurities level is higher. Because of this, it cannot be directly used for solar cell application. So there is a refine is requirement is there for metallurgical grade silicon. But in the semiconductor grade silicon, after the refinement only it is used for the solar cell applications. The impurity level in the semiconductor grade silicon level is parts per billion level, so that it will become more efficient for the solar cell application or photovoltaic cell application. The production of solar grade silicon. First, we are going to discuss about the production of metallurgical grade silicon. A quartz and carbon are placed in the crucible. Two carbon electrodes are submerged in it in the crucible. An electric arc is struck. The mixture gets heated to high temperature and the reaction will take place. When electric arc is struck, that quartz silicon dioxide is going to react with carbon. It is going to form the silicon and carbon monoxide. Whatever the silicon is formed here in above reaction, it is molten state and it is tapped at the bottom of the furnace. The carbon monoxide is further oxidized into carbon dioxide and it is released into the atmosphere. Then this whatever the molten silicon is obtained from the first step, it needs refining because it is having the impurities present in it. Silicon is further refined by treating with oxygen and slag forming additives such as aluminum, calcium and magnesium. They react with the silica to form the slag and silicon. Slag is removed and refined melt is poured into molds where silicon is solidified. The silicon obtained is called metallurgical grade silicon. Here first, whatever the silicon is obtained from the first step, this silicon is treated with oxygen in order to form the silica, that is silicon dioxide. Then the silicon dioxide is treated with aluminum, calcium and magnesium in order to form the slag and silicon. That is, when the silicon SiO2 is treated with aluminum, it is going to form the silicon and aluminum oxide. When the silica is treated with calcium, it is going to form the silicon and calcium oxide. When the silica is going to treated with magnesium, then it is going to form the silicon and magnesium oxide. That means here silicon and slag is formed. Slag is removed and molten silicon, whatever the melt silicon is obtained, it is solidified, and this called metallurgical grade silicon. In the metallurgical grade silicon contains higher concentration of intentional impurities like boron and phosphorus, and unintentional impurities transition metals like aluminum, calcium, magnesium, iron, etc. Hence, it is not used for the semiconductor material. It's need a refining in order to make it semiconductor grade silicon. In the metallurgical level grade silicon, it contains impurities in parts per billion. So we have to make it more and more refined by using the union carbide process. The production of solar grade silicon by using union carbide process. This process is developed by the Union Carbide Chemicals in the United States of America. That's why this process of production of solar grade silicon is called Union Carbide process. The metallurgical grade silicon is treated with dry SCl gas about 300 degrees Celsius to form the trichlorosilane and small amount of tetrachlorosilane, and then the mixture is distilled to get the pure trichlorosilane. Here silicon is treated with dry SCl gas at 300 degrees Celsius. Here the dry SCl gas is passed on the silicon rods at 300 degrees Celsius. It is going to give rise to trichlorosilicane and small amount of tetrachlorosilicane. The mixture is distilled to get the trichlorosilane separately. The silicon tetrachloride, whatever the small amount is formed, is reduced with hydrogen at 1000 degrees Celsius in a reactor in order to again get the trichlorosilane and SCl. And whatever the trichlorosilane is formed in the first step, this trichlorosilane then passes through the fixed bed columns filled with quaternary ammonium ion exchange resin, which is act as a catalyst, where the ammonium ion exchange process will take place. That time this trichlorosilane is converted into dichlorosilane and tetrachlorosilane. This again dichlorosilane is distilled, again passed with the ion exchange resin, then it is converted into silicon hydride. The whatever the trichlorosilane and tetrachlorosilane are formed, again recycled to the hydrogenated reactor and exchange resin respectively. Silicon hydride or silane is whatever it is formed, it is purified by distillation and passed through the reactor containing heated silicon rods. Then silane is pyrolyzed. That is, silicon hydrolyzed is pyrolyzed in order to form the semiconductor grade silicon, and other byproducts are exhausted. Whatever the silicon is obtained at this point, it is semiconductor grade silicon. and this silicon is used for the photovoltaic applications.